Imagine this. What if, in just 1 second, Earth suddenly disappeared from the universe? No explosion, no asteroid, just gone in a single moment. No oceans, no mountains, no cities, no humans, just an empty space where our planet once existed. But the real question isn't what would happen to Earth. The real question is, what effect would this have on the universe? And the most shocking part, the universe might not even notice. So today, we're going to explore what would happen to space, the moon, satellites, and the rest of the solar system if Earth suddenly vanished. First, let's talk about gravity. If Earth disappeared, the very first effect would be on gravitational balance. Right now, Earth's gravity is what keeps the moon in orbit. The moment Earth is gone, the moon would lose that gravitational anchor, and from that instant, it would begin drifting through space. But there's more. Right now, there are over 10,000 satellites orbiting around Earth communication satellites, GPS systems, weather satellites, and military equipment. Without Earth, all of them would lose their orbits and slowly drift off into deep space. Now here's something interesting. We often call the moon Earth's satellite, but technically it behaves more like a mini planet in orbit. If Earth disappeared, the moon wouldn't just fall into space randomly. Instead, it would most likely get captured by the sun's gravity and start orbiting around the sun like an independent object. However, its orbit wouldn't be stable. The gravitational pull from planets like Jupiter, Mars, and Venus would constantly influence it. Over millions of years, its path would slowly change until one day it might collide with another planet or get lost in deep space forever. Coming back to satellites, these objects stay in orbit only because of Earth's gravity. Without it, every satellite would continue moving forward in the direction of its current velocity. Some might enter orbit around the sun, some could drift toward Mars, and others might escape the solar system entirely. Now imagine this. If an alien civilization explores our solar system in the future, they might find these random floating satellites, with no idea where they came from or who created them. Now, let's ask the big question. What effect would Earth's disappearance have on the solar system? The truth is, on the scale of the solar system, Earth is incredibly small. Its mass is less than even 0.3% of Jupiter's mass. So, if Earth vanished, it wouldn't affect the Sun, Jupiter, or Saturn in any noticeable way. The solar system would remain almost exactly the same, except one small planet would be missing. Now here's a deeper and more emotional question. Would there be any proof that human civilization ever existed? Surprisingly, yes. Even if Earth disappears, some of our creations would still remain in space. For example, spacecraft like Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are already traveling beyond our solar system. Inside them, there's a special message, a golden record containing sounds from Earth, human music, and stories of our existence. If an alien civilization ever discovers them, they might realize that there was once a planet called Earth where intelligent life existed. Now, here comes the most disturbing fact. There could be over 200 billion galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy contains billions of planets. On this scale, Earth's disappearance would be almost invisible. No supernova, no cosmic shockwave, no galactic disturbance. The universe would simply move on as if nothing ever happened. And maybe that's the most terrifying reality of all. We often think humans are at the center of everything, but on a cosmic scale, Earth is just a tiny blue dot. If it disappeared in a second, only the moon would drift away, some satellites would be lost, and one empty orbit would remain. But the universe would keep writing its story, and maybe, somewhere far away, on another planet, another civilization is asking the same question: are we alone in the universe? If you want to explore more mind-blowing ideas like this, make sure to check out my next video. You'll discover just how many incredible mysteries exist beyond Earth. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be bringing you more videos that will expand your thinking beyond limits. See you in the next one.